Well, they can't dispute that Linthicum pulled the trigger. He's seen on video shooting at officers twice, but today the defense continues to argue that some of those officers acted too aggressively, knowing that Linthicum was under extreme emotional distress. After showing body-worn camera footage over and over again of two Baltimore County police officers shot in the line of duty. On day 6 of David Linthicum's attempted murder trial, the jury shown video of Linthicum's arrest for the first time. Video the defense has urged the state not to release until trial is over. Last February, Fox 45 on scene as SWAT teams closed in on Linthicum, who after 3 days on the run was tucked away in a wooded area behind the Falston Mall.
Our deputies used multiple less lethal tactics to try to encourage him to surrender.
With helicopters flying overhead, pepper spray dispatching, and multiple agencies surrounding Linthicum, it was Sergeant Matthew DiMarino's job to end the standoff peacefully. If I could make a connection with him, he may decide to walk out of the woods that evening, he testified. But after hours of negotiating, Linthicum never surrendered. He was forcefully taken. He never gave up, the state asked. Your efforts were unsuccessful. Yes, the sergeant replied. When cuffed, Linthicum can be heard multiple times asking, "Why didn't you kill me?" and pleading, "Kill me, please." The defense furthering arguments the initial response from police was reckless and flawed for someone suffering a mental health crisis. Testifying as an expert on police training and policy, Tyrone Powers, stating the first step in crisis intervention is to contain the individual, giving them time and space until trained mediators can arrive. Powers is unable to comment further until the trial is over, but in a previous interview with Fox 45 said, in hindsight, officers should have waited to approach Linthicum.
The emphasis is to call mobile crisis, especially in these situations, so you don't escalate, so officers don't get hurt, other individuals don't get hurt, and even the individual you're calling for who's going through the mental health crisis don't get hurt.
The commander of the department's Internal Affairs Division was also questioned if an after-action report found despite good intentions, some of the officers' actions exacerbated the situation. But the judge barring him from answering, defense attorney Deborah Levy asking numerous times for the legal reasoning, but her dispute overruled. The department telling Fox 45 it won't release the report until trial is over. Outside the courthouse, David Linthicum's dad, John, saying he called 911 for help, but that's not what he received.
There's all these policies that the police have. They're supposed to be following. They're not following anything.
The defense has now rested its case, with Linthicum choosing not to take the stand in his own defense. Tomorrow, we will hear closing arguments from both sides, and then Linthicum's fate will rest in the hands of 12 jurors. Reporting in Baltimore County, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.